Hi, I wanted to show this real quick video with the salsa. Here's another tip. What you want to do is scrape the sides of this. You see that? That's all umami. That's flavor, buddy. Scrape the sides with the spatula. You see all that beautiful thickness? It's nothing but umami. That's all the thickening agent. The bottom of the pot has also umami, which is the fond. So you got some fond on the side from the boiling. So I've simmered this for quite some time, and then you have some fond on the bottom. So I'm gonna get ready to process the salsa in here, and I'll just, you know, blend it to your content. You can make it thick or you can make it a little thin. I'm going to add the rest of my spices that I have, and basically cumin and maybe some lime juice or lemon, whatever you prefer. There's some cilantro if you'd like. And then you process them into put this out in the jars that are sanitized. Make sure. And then you put in your lids. I like putting in my lids and sterilizing them. So you don't really have to do a lot. You can wash your rings, and then you can wash your rings. But I don't have to. The rings are just basically to make sure that it's processed correctly, that it seals correctly. And then I'll probably process them for about a good 10 minutes, 15, anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your elevation. And then, yeah, make sure that you have the correct elevation when you process your salsa. And then let it sit for about an additional 5 minutes. See, I always have my note here. Ay caramba. Leave canned goods in water bath 5 minutes. That's my reminder. And then you shouldn't have a problem with the sealings, but always check your sealings and make sure they're sealed properly. There's a spoon test on the seals, and you tap the top of them to make sure that they're sealed. And if I remember, I'll post that. Okay.